So okay guys, today's video is going to be on Deep Dream and I'm going to be showing you my overall progress with making it portable. Now with that said, all credit where credit's due. I did not make the Deep Dream, package here. I got it from GitHub, and the user that made this made it quite a while ago, and it doesn't support newer versions of Python, and I ran into a lot of issues trying to get certain things to work like Tensorflow, because with newer versions of Python, a lot of the code here is completely unusable, so I had to go and get an older version of Python and figure out how to make it portable, so that's what this video is going to be on. In a sense, I'm going to be working on making these two things here extremely portable. I'm going to merge them together, and I'm going to make just a simple executable or batch file. That way you guys can just push a button after extracting a zip, throw your image in, and be done with it. But yeah, for now, to get what I currently have working, I'll have a link for this down below in the description. I will be replacing it with the updated version when I am done with it, but for now, since I got it somewhat working, I wanted to show you guys how to use it. First of all, you'll get this zip. You won't have the pictures folder here, or if you do, I'll leave just some example pictures in there for you. But you want to just open up the Deep Dream master folder, shift and right click in here and hit open with command prompt or open with PowerShell, either or. It should be fine. But yeah, after you do that, you should get a window that looks like this, and from here we want to actually go back out into our directory and open up that Python folder, and then open up the folder inside. From here, you just want to drag the Python executable into the command prompt or PowerShell window. Now after you got that done, you just want to hit back again, and go back into the Deep Dream master folder and type in deep_dream.py. Now after you got that done, in a sense, you can just hit enter and it will run an example picture that it will pull from the internet and extract right here into this folder. But since I'm not online, I'm going to actually be showing you guys how to throw your own pictures in right away instead of having to just run that example picture. So to put our own picture in here, we can back out, open up this pictures folder or wherever your pictures are stored, and then just grab a image. Something I noticed though, depending on your hardware, this program can work really fast or really slow. It's really CPU dependent. Now in my case, I got a really good computer here, but I'm gonna load in the smallest picture I got so maybe we can see it at the end of the video. And that picture happens to be of me and my dog, so I'm just gonna drag the picture here into the command window and hit enter. Now just know this, it will run a little slow at first. It might not seem like it's doing anything. It has to load everything in. I've already ran this once on here attempting to record this video once, so it's kind of already pre-buffered in and it ready to go. But as you can see, it is indeed working. Now, I've already mentioned it, but this program works with the Tensorflow, so you can actually alter this and tell it to do many different things, and I will be working on that in the future when I finish up the final build for all of this. But yeah, something I will be working on adding really soon here is I'm going to be editing the deepdream.py file. I'm going to have some kind of command here that I will link to the executable or batch file here that will let you choose the level of, mixing that you send your picture through. Now currently with the default settings, it goes and it mixes it about 5 times and it does like 15 levels if I remember, iterations I'd like to say. Now the more iterations and levels you go through, the more trippier the image gets. So with the current settings that are the default, you get some really good pictures, but a lot of the time, sometimes it's too much. So I'm gonna set an option so that you can dial it back or improve it even farther. Anyway guys, it's basically it for this video. However, I will let this run and I will show you guys the result before I go. And I'm going to show you guys a couple of other results that I had, or some other results that you could get with this software. Currently, I've had some good luck with it, some bad luck, but with some tuning and some further changes along the way, I will have something that you guys can easily customize and run. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna go. DTPK signing off. Peace. Auto Bleem. In my case, my software is kind of out of date, so this did not work. However, the basic setup, but overall, these have been working great. I ran them for about hours straight at a time.